Hi guys, my name is Sarah Hayward and I am the head chef of the Bull and Bear in Manchester. Staff Canteen have asked me to do a quick video for their January feature. So I'm going to start by doing a Pommes, which I'm going to serve later on with a beautiful piece of sirloin which I picked up from the butcher's yesterday. So I'm going to start just by peeling the potatoes, and then I'm just going to slice them really thinly and layer them all up with some butter which I've melted on the stove. So I've got a bread loaf tin here which I've just lined with greaseproof paper, and I'm just going to layer the potatoes and go sort of the alternate way for each layer. Okay, so once that's up to the top, I'm just going to pour the butter onto it. Make sure that goes all in. And then I'm going to put a piece of baking parchment on the top. And then I've got my oven on 160. I'm going to put that in for about 45 minutes and then I'll check it. Okay, so we're back and we're filming the dinner part 2. So Pommes in the end, it took about an hour in the oven. And then what I did was I just took it out and pressed it with a chopping board and a couple of massive cookbooks that Dad's got. So we're now going to cook the steak and finish the dinner. So I've got a lovely piece of sirloin here which I picked up from the butcher's yesterday. I've got a nice cast iron pan which I'm going to use to finish the steak. So I'm just going to season it up. Dad's going to whip up a nice peppercorn sauce to go with it. It's quite a chunky piece of meat though, so it's going to take a while. So loads of salt, a little bit of pepper.
In the pan, get it rendering lovely, Dobby. Sounds good.
There we go. And she's in. Okay, so while Dad's making some peppercorn sauce, I'm going to prep some broccoli in the background.
So we are softening up finely chopped onions, but shallots would be good if you had them. A pinch of salt. I'm going to add my brandy. I'm going to cook off the alcohol. There we go. I see that going. Add a little bit of vinaigrette there. Some French mustard, but Dijon can be used either, but I quite like the strength of the French mustard. Give it a good stir, and we finish this with double cream, nice consistency, a little bit of a taste. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Steak's coming out.
fresh roast out of the garden. And lots of nice salted butter, bit of parsley as well. Donuts.
Okay, so while that steak is resting up, I'm going to start frying the pommes. So, rested it a little bit wonky, but I'm sure it'll be alright.
Let's broccoli I'm going to turn. Stem broccoli, shall I say.
Okay, so Dad's going to carve. As I said before, he is the man of the house.
Right, here we go.
Man job.
Ooh. Looking nice. Enough for a sandwich for later.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at that. Tom will be proud. Look at this.
We've got our pommes ready to go. Peppercorn sauce has got all its lovely beef juices in it.
It's going into celery.
Nice bit of sprouting broccoli with anchovies.
So we're going to stir this in here.
Let's put that on then.
Looking nice. Creates a bit of juices. Some of the anchovies, a little bit of garlic. Bananas are going to go down the side. Nice and neat.
Lovely.
A little bit of butter on top.
And that's pretty much done.